the hadith 750, Jabir, Messenger of Allah commanded the licking of fingers and cleaning of the dish. So is this commandment and obligatory?
Yeah. So hadith Jabir 750. 750. Please everybody go just to 750. So the Prophet ﷺ, he had commanded with licking the fingers. Okay, is that making a command? Yes, it's a command, but why we said it's recommended? Because the Prophet ﷺ, he had given it a reason. He said because of the barakah. Once he gives a reason, this is the principle, then it becomes recommended. Like the Prophet ﷺ said, تَمَضْمَضْ مِنَ اللَّبَنِ فَإِنَّ لَهُ دَسَمًا. Make madmada every time you drink the milk from the cow, the milk from the camel. The camel, it's got like a buttery taste, a sticky buttery taste. Okay? So he said, make a madmana for it, for verily it's got a dasam. This is a dasam, the buttery taste. So because he said a buttery taste, then it becomes not compulsory. It becomes what? Recommended. Because not every milk, okay, it has that in any way, number one. Number two, as I said, that it is actually for the sake of that when you come to the prayer, that you come with not moving your tongue like this because of that, remaining of the milk. But if you had drank milk, which is buttery, and then after 5 minutes you started the prayer, I'm sure the buttery thing is getting finished now. So that is like you could say instructions for guidance, not instructions as a fard or compulsory. Same thing with this one as well. Now.